Like, Jesus, that is an icicle. Wow. I feel like I'm touching the Antarctic. I'm right at the Arctic shelf, for crying out loud. Yeah, that's a problem. Definitely a problem. Let's walk this way. Yeah, look across the street. Everybody's house has snow on it. That is good insulation. Beautiful, wonderful insulation. Let's zoom in. We got the super phone. So I can probably see if somebody's in there doing something weird. But yeah, see all that? And then we come here, and what do you see? Look at that. You think there's a problem? You think we're losing some heat?